Hello everyone, welcome you to this channel. Today we will see a new topic, PCB design. It's our first video. In this video, I will show you a 12-volt power supply design using Proteus software. Let's start. So, open up Proteus and select all the necessary components for the project. While choosing components, make sure its PCB preview is available. It's very important to design a PCB. Track mode. Double-click on default. Select 50th. And now make the connection for each. Here it will guide where to connect. Just connect one by one. For LEDs, you won't find PCB preview. So select any one and follow further stage step by step. By following the steps, you can make any PCB preview. Now save the project. And click the top right located Oasis button. It will open the PCB Designer window. Now follow my steps. Create a board edge and then bring in the components and place them where you want to put them. When component setup done, go to track mode. Double-click on default. Select 50th. And now make the connection for each. Here it will guide where to connect. Just connect one by one. Remember, one track can't be mixed with another track. The blue track represents bottom layer connection. Now you see there is no more way to connect the wire without touching another. In this situation you have used another layer. For that, double click and you will see the layer is red. Connect till you can use bottom, then use red to connect the track. Now our task is complete. Let's see its full preview from 3D Preview. So, it's looking a great PCB. If you want to print this PCBs, export the needed files and then order from printing service providers.